Welcome aboard the boat cruise from Tokyo International Cruise Terminal, one of the highlights of the annual port festival. This event celebrates Japan's maritime culture and offers a unique way to experience the beauty of Tokyo Bay. As the cruise sets off, you are surrounded by stunning cityscapes, modern bridges, and glimmering waters. It's not just a ride, it's a journey through Tokyo's transformation and technological brilliance. Sit back and enjoy the scenery as we sail into the heart of this man-made marvel. I got the tickets as part of the port festival. The boat was all glassed in, giving us amazing views all around, and there was even an open deck on top where we could stand and soak it all in. The land beneath the cruise terminal, and much of what you see around the bay, didn't exist naturally. It was carefully reclaimed from the sea, starting in the 1960s as part of a grand urban development plan to expand Tokyo's waterfront. Massive amounts of sand, soil, and waste materials were used to form solid ground in areas like Odaiba, which is now a futuristic district filled with business centers, shopping complexes, museums, and green spaces. The layout was designed to be spacious and modern, with wide roads, scenic promenades, and panoramic views across the bay. From the water, you can clearly see the results of this visionary planning, a perfect blend of urban development and natural beauty. The iconic Rainbow Bridge, the symmetrical high-rises, and the organized shoreline all reflect how Japan turned reclaimed land into one of its most dynamic zones. This cruise gives you a front-row seat to Tokyo's bold approach to engineering and city design, all while gliding peacefully on the bay. The boat started off slowly, cruising around the Aomi Bay area. On both sides, we passed by massive port cranes and industrial equipment. Really gives you a sense of how busy this place can get. Along the way, we spotted Coast Guard boats lined up, probably here for the port festival too. And then came the cruise terminal, standing tall and welcoming in the distance. On the right, you can spot the entrance to the Tokyo Tunnel Road, part of National Route 357. Just nearby is the Grand Nikko Hotel and, of course, the iconic Rainbow Bridge. That tunnel you see is actually the Tokyo Harbor Tunnel, a free public road that stretches about 1.9 kilometers. It runs alongside the expressway's own harbor tunnel, linking Odaiba in Minato Ward with Oi in Shingawa Ward. And the Rainbow Bridge? It's a stunning suspension bridge that connects Shibara Pier to the vibrant Odaiba waterfront. A true Tokyo landmark. Just behind the Grand Nikko Hotel, you can spot the iconic Fuji TV tower. As the boat glides ahead, it passes by Odaiba Park and Torinoshima Island, both near the peaceful Odaiba beach. From the water, you get a great view of Aqua City Mall, and then we cruise right up close to the Rainbow Bridge. It's not just for cars, there are pedestrian walkways, highways, regular roads, and even the Yurikamo metro line running across it. Looking out from the bridge, you really get a feel for how thoughtfully the city's been planned. And if you are at the Odaiba waterfront, there's a boat service that can take you straight to Asakusa, home of the famous Sensoji Temple. Odaiba Beach also offers a bunch of water sports if you are up for some adventure. The boat eventually turned back and made its way toward the Rainbow Bridge again. On the right, you'll see the Shingawa Wharf, and on the left, the Aomi Minami port is in full swing. This area is always buzzing with container ships coming and going. It's a major hub for cargo distribution, so you'll spot plenty of logistics companies nearby. There are also some cool attractions around here, like the Museum of Maritime Science, the National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation, also known as Miraikan, the Telecom Center, and the massive Tokyo Big Sight Convention Center. To get here from Tokyo City Center, take the Yurikamome line from Shimbashi Station and get off at Tokyo International Cruise Terminal Station. The ride is around 20 minutes and includes scenic views of Tokyo Bay and the Rainbow Bridge. From the station, it's just a short walk to the cruise terminal entrance. Taxis are also available from major hubs like Tokyo Station, taking roughly 25 minutes. The area is well connected and easy to access for both locals and travelers. Thanks for joining us on this beautiful cruise along Tokyo Bay. It's a perfect mix of sightseeing, history, and innovation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content across Japan. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.